For our next sample problem, we have to classify the substances shown below. So here is an example of some different things. On the left-hand side, here I have a cup of tea. So I know that when I make tea, I'm going to mix water. I'm going to put the tea in the infuser here. I'm going to put it in the hot water, and that tea is going to infuse out into the water. So I know that this is going to be a mixture. And then we have our two different types of mixtures. So we have a homogeneous versus a heterogeneous mixture. When I look at this cup of tea, I notice that it looks uniform anywhere I look in this cup. So anywhere I look, it's going to look the same. And also if I take samples, any sample that I take is going to be the same as the sample before. So I know that this is a homogeneous mixture. Now in the middle picture, it looks like I have some oil mixed with water. Again, because I have two substances that are not chemically bonded, I know that this is a mixture. And in this case, when I look throughout this mixture, I see some areas are going to look different from other areas. So in some areas, I see just water. In other areas, I see just oil. So this does not look uniform throughout. So this is going to be heterogeneous. And then finally on the right hand side I have orange juice, and as I'm looking at the orange juice in this picture, first of all, I know that in orange juice there's like vitamins, there's vitamin C in there. I know that there's some of the flavor molecules from the orange. I know that there's a lot of water in this, so this is also going to be a mixture. And when I look at this orange juice, as I look through the glass, I'm not seeing any chunks of pulp or anything. So I'm going to go ahead and say that this is a homogeneous mixture. So this is probably a strained orange juice. If this orange juice had some really obvious chunks of pulp in it, I might say that it was heterogeneous, but that really just depends on the drink.